So, landed in our leg drag or pistachio. And I'm looking to go to mount. So if it was all tucked in and nice, like I like to pull it out just to give me another option. Because if it's tucked in, I can't use the bottom lapel. So I'm gonna pull that out. I'm gonna hold on to it, okay? So I'm gonna pressure in on his hip and switch this knee to where this knee is. So I pressure, here, step on the outside, okay? I'm gonna start grabbing this grip. That way, like, it'll lead into like the next technique, but just getting used to having this grip and this grip. Driving the outside knee in and flatten him out here, okay? So we kind of end with lapel and then horse collar grip, because I could go here, start looking for the X choke, but like it gives me that option there. Knees are in, heels are in, nice and low here. Here, pressuring it, and on the hip, switching my leg. So I kind of like swivel this out, switch, out. Okay. If this arm does get in my way, I am gonna let that go and press it out. Drive this in, go right to mount. Then I go back here. If I need to press this down, I can. Here. Not 100% necessary, as long as I have good like pressure into that hip. Right there. You see it?
Yeah.
So, switching. So I have good pressure. I'm still stapling that bottom leg down nice and tight. That way if he's like trying to move, like I'm in a good solid position. Okay, knee comes in, step him out. Right there. Okay. What kind of questions we got? On 3, 1, 2, 3.